Many of Apple's significant design improvements for the iPhone 15 have already been revealed through leaks, but worries are mounting that the company would also raise costs, and now a top industry figure has reinforced those suspicions. Dan Ives, a well-known Wedbush analyst, revealed that the iPhone 15 range will indeed cost more than current models. He later made an appearance on CNBC and reiterated that the average selling price for the next generation of iPhones will rise. Ives had previously warned of iPhone 14 price rises internationally, which Apple subsequently did, but US customers were spared the same increases. With the iPhone 15 range, that is anticipated to change. However, some experts and insiders estimate price increases of up to $200, especially for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. While US buyers will understandably be concerned about this potential, the biggest shock will be for international customers who may be facing their second consecutive major price increase. Despite this, Ives remains bullish on Apple and raised his 12-month stock target to $220 from $205. He is by far the biggest name to lend weight to these price hike claims. He thinks the iPhone 15 cycle might be the company's crowning achievement in moving 235 million to 240 million devices. It remains to be seen if Apple has done enough with the iPhone 15 series to generate this level of sales after his analysis revealed that over 250 million iPhones had not been updated in more than 4 years, generating a massive backlog of prospective purchasers. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are said to have updated designs, while the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models are rumored to have faster CPUs, better cameras, an action button, and a range-wide switch to USB-C. Despite these frequent leaks, the upgrades are generally minimal. Early iPhone 16 leaks reveal substantially more ambitious iPhones, and one powerful leaker even actively discouraged iPhone 15 upgrades. Add price increases to this, and Apple's renownedly devoted customers will be put to the test this year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.